Lane Carter and his dad Jamie with one of the 15 mahi on fly.
Yeah, if he runs, you gotta let go of that reel handle. There you go. Taking a nice run.
This is Lane's first mahi on fly.
What you want to do is lift up and reel down, right? You don't want to reel on the way up. There you go, nice and easy. Be ready for him to take another run. There you go, stand in the corner. There he is. There's Lane's first dolphin on fly. Good going, buddy. You having a good time?
Yeah.
Is that all? How many jumps did he make? About 4 or 5? Let him run, man. Let him run. You don't want to break him off. There you go. Pull up and reel down. Gotta pump him. There you go. All right, buddy. Hey, stay in the corner. You stay in the corner, that gives you stability. Put one knee up against the side of the boat and use the other leg behind you. There you go. That's right, buddy. Get going, Lane. How old are you, Lane?
14.
14-year-old catching his first saltwater fish. First saltwater fish?
Yep.
All right. Leave him right there. No more. And pull him up just a little bit. Get him up to the surface. See how the leader's coming up? Let him go if he's going to swim. Let go of the reel. There he goes. And reel him in.
He's getting tired. He ain't taking
He's getting tired there a little bit, huh? Right there. There you go, buddy. All right, we'll get the fish in the boat here. That's right. Just stand up against the side of the boat there, Jamie. Okay, swing the rod tip over to me, buddy. Nice and easy.
Oh my gosh.
Watch the rod tip. Keep it outside. You're responsible for the rod. You got to take this rod. I'll take the fish.
Okay, take this rod.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I already took another one.
But we'll get a picture of this first fish.
Wow, look at that.
He gets hooked up. He's hooked up on another one, folks.
Yes, sir.
Too small. Throw him back. You gotta watch out there not to put the fly in the water too quick. Because you just hook another one, can't get a picture, right?
That's right. That's exactly right. That's funny.
Okay. Can you see pretty good there through the camera there?
Yes, sir.
Jamie? It's Jamie, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Stand in the corner, buddy. Ready, look at him. Put one knee up against the boat. Fight like this. There you go. You like that, buddy? Yeah. All right. Is this catching fish or is this fishing?
It's fishing.
And catching, I guess.
Yes.
And I tied that fly myself.
Yeah, there you go. Good job, good job. Nice and easy. Okay, pull to the right, go. Put that rod tip over in my hand. I'll tell you what, just step up the side of the boat. Towards your dad. You gotta try and pull him in. Go to the right. To the right. Pull to the right. Step backwards. Step backwards.
Look at him.
Step backwards.
Step backwards. Come on back, Lane. Come on back, Lane. Come on.
Stop reeling.
That's great.
Go hold the rod. You gotta hold the rod, protect the reel. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
All right, buddy.
Isn't that something, Lane?
Yeah, he's a keeper. We'll keep him. Shoot. Done?
Yeah, he's done.
Come on down to Islamorada and let's go fishing. You can contact me at fish-killgore.com, 800-698-5773, or Rick at fish-killgore.com.